What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have here Fifine K678 unidirectional cardioid pickup pattern microphone. You can pick up this microphone for around $82, but remember, price does fluctuate. After opening the box, you will find a thank you card from Fifine, user guide, microphone with stand, Q20 to 3.8 adapter for boom arm, and 6 feet long good quality USB cable. Microphone weight is 708 grams, so around 1.56 pound including the stand. I really like the flat black color, kind of goes with my black and white setup. Now for this microphone you don't need an audio interface or any drivers, just plug and play. Works with Windows and Mac computers out the box. This microphone can record 16-bit and 48,000 kilohertz, so perfect for live stream or recording voiceover. You can easily connect this microphone to Windows or Mac computers. Now today I'll show you guys how to use this microphone with Mac. Just plug this microphone to any USB port, then go to System Preference, click on Sound icon and go to Input tab. Pick the Fifine K678 microphone, adjust the input volume, and you all set. This video's voiceover was recorded with Fifine K678 microphone. System gain was set to 30% and microphone gain was set to 75%. Also raw, there was no editing done. So what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Now the build quality is really solid because this microphone is made out of metal, so there is no plastic. Comes with good enough adjustable metal stand with tiny rubber fits, so the microphone doesn't slide around on your desk. Front of the microphone you will find Fifine logo and mute bottom with LED light. Keep in mind this microphone is a unidirectional mic, so you can only record sound and voice from the front of the mic. Back of the mic you will find a gain knob and headphone volume knob. Bottom of the mic you will find mini USB 3.5mm audio output for headphone and Q20 thread for boom arm. Overall, for the price tag $82, this microphone performed really well. You don't need to buy a Blue Yeti microphone for $189, so just save your hard-earned money. Hope this quick video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you guys next one.